Save the turtles! Hey guys, welcome back to Needle and Thread. Today we are going to be sewing a scrunchie. This is what it's going to look like after. So for this project you'll be needing some fabric that is bigger than 27 inches in length and 7 inches in width. You'll also be needing an elastic piece that is big enough to fit around your wrist with an extra couple inches. You will be needing a tape measure to measure out your length of fabric, and some fabric scissors that are preferably fabric but do not need to be able to cut out your size fabric. You'll also be needing a sewing machine. So for the first step, you're going to want to measure out your fabric. You are 27 by 7 inches. So I'm going to measure it out. Right here is 27, so I'm going to keep my finger right there. And I'm going to make a snip. Okay, and then 7 inches up here. So this fabric is already about 7 inches, and this project is great if you want to use just large scraps, because it's only a small portion of fabric that you need to use. Okay, so the next step is to just cut all the way across your 7 inches, but make sure to start at the 27 mark. So after that, you're going to want to fold your fabric inwards so the pattern is facing towards itself on the inside. And then we're going to head over to the sewing machine. So you're going to want to place your fabric under your needle, but remember that if you want your scrunchie to be thinner, you're going to want to sew it closer to the fold, and if you want it to be wider, you're going to sew it further away from the fold. So now I'm going to put my foot down, and you're going to want to backstitch, remember? And remember to backstitch when you're done too. And trim your thread. Make sure to trim about 1/4 inch away from your thread. After that, you're going to want to flip your fabric right side out. The next step is to thread your elastic through the fabric piece. You can use a safety pin, but I don't have one with me right now, so I'm just using something that I found. Next, you're going to want to tie your elastic together or sew it. In this case, I'm going to sew it to make it more sturdy. Make sure to make your stitches a little bit smaller so it'll hold up better, and you're going to want to backstitch a couple times. The next step is to cut off any excess elastic. After that, you're going to want to fold in one of the sides and then fold over the edge to make it a cleaner look. Then you're going to want to sew it across. Make sure to backstitch all the way through about 2 times. Trim off any extra threads. Thank you guys for helping me film this video. This is how the scrunchie turned out, and it is very beautiful and wonderful. You can use it in your hair, and it's just a very good tap. I almost ran over my finger with a thing. Otherwise it won't move through. So it doesn't have a full stitch. Oh yeah. It's fine, I'll make it a bigger stitch. Okay, I'll make it a bigger stitch now. Okay, there we go. Make sure to click that video that is showing up on your screen right there, and to see the rope chew toy and